There are many ways to how individuals are recognized and described. One of those ways is how we speak, how we communicate. How one speaks and communicates reveals one's inner self. Our tongue is like a door shutter. When the shutter of the shop is raised, we can see clearly what is inside the shop. Is it goldsmith shop or is it provision shop? Our tongue is like a shutter. How we speak and communicate reveals on inner self. There are three things to consider before we speak. First, we need to contemplate on what we want to say. Is it essential? Is it mandatory? Is it important? If we contemplate before we speak, then in all likelihood we will speak right and avoid negative things, negative and useless talks. Furthermore, contemplating before speaking will also bring balanced, happy, and blissful life and free from negativity and slandering. If there is an urgent issue and needs to be spoken of, then one should speak. Failure to speak at that moment will reflect on one being weak. Some people do not speak at the right time when required to, and after the event regret their actions. There was a great Iranian philosopher, Sheikh Shadi, who said, "A foolish person is like a drum that makes a lot of noise but is empty within." On the other side, a wise person is like a perfume who does not speak much but spreads its fragrance to many. Thus, a wise person speaks little but speaks with quality, which spreads like the fragrance of the perfume. Secondly, we should speak with respect, humility, and sweetness to achieve maximum benefit from the conversation. Sweetness in conversation will be pleasing to those listening and will have a great impact. More often than not, many negative issues arise due to conversation happening in bitter and harsh tones. Sweetness in conversation more often brings about a positive outcome. Speaking with the ego only brings a loss of one's personal balance and results in poor conversation outcomes. Finally, we need to speak truthfully, contemplating on, am I speaking the truth? If it is not the truth, one should not speak. More often than not, many of us speaks of things which we are not completely sure of. When we hear something which we are not sure of but are negative, such as slandering, backbiting, and pleasing to our ears, we tend to pass on the conversation on to others without verification. Such actions can rise to quarrels and misunderstandings among friends and relatives. If we pass on the conversation that are true, it will bring about a positive outcome. Thus, it is important we speak truthfully and pass on the conversation that are true and authentic to bring about positive outcomes.